Chapter 8, File Management and Introduction. Topics covered: Files and folders, creating a file, saving a file, opening a file, renaming a file. On desktop we can see many icons which represent different types of programs. Some most common icons are: this icon represents or shows all the drives of a computer system. It also shows stored documents, pictures and sounds, etc. This icon helps us to search for different network places like wired or Wi-Fi network. This icon helps us to see what we have deleted. It also used to restore the files which are deleted by mistake. We can also call it the dustbin of a computer. This icon is used to show the files or folders. This icon helps us to see stored files. When we double-click on any icon, it opens a window without any activity. Files and folders. The icon which is selected represents a folder. A folder helps us to organize files on a computer. We can say, a folder is the collection of files and subfolders. A file is the piece of information which we store on the system. It can be in text, picture or audio format. It can be compared to a school bag, which is a folder that contains the files which are school books. We can move a file or subfolder into a folder by the method of drag and drop. Cyber tidbits. Folders allow us to keep related files together and makes it easy to locate important files quickly. Creating a file. Let us learn how to create a file in a Word document. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Go to All Apps. Step 3. Choose MS Word 2010. A new blank window will open. Step 4. Type your name, age and address. Once you have completed, save your file. Saving a file. To save a file, just follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click on File tab. Step 2. Click on Save As. Step 3. The Save As dialog box appears. Step 4. Choose the location where we want to save our file. Step 5. Then click on Save button. Give a specific name to the file to identify it later. Our file will be saved and can be opened next time when we need it. Opening a file. Once a file is saved, we can open it again whenever needed. To open the file, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. Choose the Open option from the displayed list. The Open dialog box will appear. Step 3. Choose the location where the file is saved. Step 4. Select the desired file. Step 5. Click on the Open button. Renaming a file. We can change the folder name by following these steps. Step 1. Right-click on the folder icon. Step 2. Type other name of folder. Step 3. Press Enter key. In such a way we can change the folder name.